How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Beautiful day here. Right now it's about 61, 62ish, and the sun is out and nice, beautiful white clouds. Well, what are we doing today? Well, I just got done mowing, and whenever you mow, everything you use gets dusty. So what does this have to do with an automotive channel? Let me show you. Well, what it has to do with automotive channel, we use the same products on our cars that we use on our lawnmowers. At least we should be. And the reason for that is you're looking at about a $2,200 investment, right? And you don't want it just falling apart in a year and then have to go buy a new one. So we do what we can, especially as car guys, do what we can to protect our rides. And yes, this is a ride, because as you can see, I don't want to have to try to push mow all this. Not to mention the front yard, right? So what I did before summer got here, before I first mowed for the first time, I washed this, put ceramic slam on it, coated the tires and the plastics and all that. So right now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I wet it down, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after I get done washing it. Look at that water being on the sidewalk already. Let me get you over here where you can see it. Look at the water beating on it already. I mean, it just rolls right off. Now technically, I could just dry that and it'd be fine. But look at those tight feet. Like I said, I applied that at the first of the year, in springtime, before I first mowed. And as you can see, it's still on there. So let's get this thing washed. But there you go. Looks really good, doesn't it? I haven't touched up anything. I haven't done anything. This is just a wash and dry, and that's how it looks. Looks really good. But the point I'm trying to get across to you, car products like tire shines, waxes, sealants, and stuff like that aren't just made for cars, right? They are made for stuff like this. Anything that's painted, anything that has painted plastic or colored plastic. And like a car, this is a major investment, and you want it to last as long as you can. You want to get every minute out of it you can get out of it. So yep, on this one I have ceramic slam. It's been on since the beginning of spring, before I ever first mowed, and you can see how good it's doing. But I just want to throw that out there so you can see what all I do. I don't just do cars, I do lawnmowers too. So get out there and enjoy yours, whether it be your car, your motorcycle, your bicycle, your truck, doesn't matter. ATV, have fun with it. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.